Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says onion is an example of option A bulb, option B tuber, option C root, option D rhizome. So what do you understand by onion? The question says onion is an example of. So what type of part is onion? So some people say onion, some people say onion, it doesn't matter. So I call it as onion. So onion, what is it? It is neither a stem. Onion is neither a stem nor a root, nor a root. Then what is onion? What is that thing which we eat which looks like a ball? Okay, so that is nothing but it can be considered as tunicated bulb. Yes, so onion is tunicated bulb, and the layers of the bulb consists of layers, right? The layers are nothing but the modified leaves. Modified leaves. Okay, and it encloses a tiny bud, and below it it will be having tiny roots. Okay, so these modified leaves, these are fleshy in nature, so it consists of fleshy leaves. Fleshy leaves. Okay, so these are that is what is the meaning of onion, or that is the part of the plant which we call it as onion. Now let us look at the option. Option A says bulb. So what do you think? Is it correct? Yes, option A is bulb. Option B says tuber. So what do you mean by tuber? Tuber is a part of, which is a modified stem. So tuber, what is tuber? Tuber is a modified stem. Okay. And this, for example, if I to give you, you can see in case of potato plant. Okay, so the potato, the part of the plant what we eat, the potato, that is a tuber, and it has certain notches which we can consider, or we can call it as eyes, which will give rise to new plant. So but onion isn't, it's not an example of tuber, it is an example of bulb. So option B is ruled out. Option C says root. So as I told you, it is neither a root nor a stem. So it is not a root. So option C is ruled out. Option D says rhizome. Rhizome is again a modified stem itself. And the best example I can give you is ginger. So it is a modified underground ginger. Okay, but it is not onion. So onion is not an example of rhizome. Okay, it is an example of bulb. So what will be the final answer? So what can we consider? So how can we conclude it? The final answer is, what is the final answer? That is onion is an example of option A, that is bulb. Okay, bulb. Even garlic is an example of bulb only. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.